Let's take a look at this old saw. It's not a Craftsman, but it's a companion, and it says here, Sears and Roebuck Co. Well, I haven't seen very many of this though, but I'm guessing somewhere in the late 60s. It does still work, and it looks like it's fairly intact, and nothing wrong with it, but it's very interesting. Came with this card. Make sure you grind it. I guess that's because it's all metal. Caution USA users. You wouldn't get shocked by your saw. Of course, it came in the original box I found with it. This 7-inch. Circular saw. 1.25 horsepower. So that was kind of interesting too. Sears, you can see on there. And came with a bunch of other stuff. Seemed like it was all here, all complete when you bought it. Basically Craftsman saw blades, a mook, Craftsman stuff. And everything came with it. Normally these mooks. All this stuff is kind of nostalgic. There's much old blades. Not much there. Also it came with the tools to take the blade on and off. Also it came with the instruction manual. I'll show you this quick. Kind of stuff you combine with it. All very interesting. That was all kept together through the years. Now, eventually I'm going to try and use this saw. I'm a little concerned about the metal body on it and getting juice from it, but I was thinking about adding a GFCI to the plug. It is grinded, but who knows if what you plug into is always grinded. So I was thinking about adding that for safety. And of course, here's a parts list. In case you need parts, you can order them. I did look this up on Sears, and you can get some parts for this. Almost none, but I guess it's pretty old. There's the parts list. But these directions are, I guess you don't see them around too often. So it's interesting that it's not a Craftsman, it's a companion sold by Sears and Roebuck. So that's pretty much about it. I just wanted to show you the saw, all the stuff that came with it in this box, and we are going to put this saw to use. You know, after hopefully I make a safety upgrade. But it's a very interesting piece. 7-inch. I'm going to put a 7.25-inch blade on it and see how it works. I guess back then they didn't have carbide, so none of the blades are carbide. So we'll put a carbide blade on it and see how it runs, see how it cuts. And I'd be really careful with this. I wouldn't use this anywhere where you're not sure if it's grinded or not. That kind of, worries me a little bit. But it's an interesting piece, to say the least. One thing it doesn't have is a handle to hold it. And I kind of know like this part here. It's not very, your fingers are kind of close to the blade. Doesn't have, you know, a bigger thing to pull up your guard. So, I don't know if we can change that or not. Make something to put on there. But, there it is. Your companion circular saw. Sold by Sears and Roebuck Company. Very interesting. Nice old piece.